In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Steam account from another device. Whether you've forgotten to log out from a friend's computer or simply want to ensure the security of your account, these steps will help you manage your logins effectively. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each step. First, you'll want to open your web browser on your primary device, something you're confident is secure and under your control. Go ahead and navigate to the official Steam website. Once you're there, locate and click on the Login button, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Enter your Steam username and password. It's always best to ensure your credentials are entered correctly. After logging in, you should see your account name displayed at the top. By clicking on your account name, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select Account Details. When you're in the Account Details section, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see several options related to the security and privacy of your account. Look for and select Manage Steam Guard. Steam Guard is a protection feature that adds an extra layer of security. After selecting this, you'll be presented with a list of devices that have accessed your account recently. Take a moment to review this list. This is an important part of the process, as it displays where and when your account was last accessed. Among the devices listed, find the one you wish to log out from. Situations might vary, but typically, people forget to log out from shared or public computers. Once you've pinpointed the device, look for the option that says Deauthorize this computer. Clicking this will effectively log you out from that device. It's worth mentioning that this action is immediate, so any session currently active on that device will be halted. One important tip is to change your password if you're unsure about the security of your account or if the unauthorized access was unexpected. To do this, go back to the Account Details page and navigate to Change My Password. Creating a strong password can greatly enhance the security of your account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better protection. After following these steps, you should feel a lot more secure. Logging out from unfamiliar devices is a crucial part of maintaining your account's security, so I recommend performing these steps periodically, especially if you use shared devices often. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to ensure your Steam account stays secure, no matter where it's logged in. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments.